we're a social enterprise focused on making the transition to low carbon energy systems fair and accessible for everyone. We're delivering the Harvest project, which stands for Holistic Agricultural and Rural Virtual Energy System Transition. The Harvest project is looking to bring value of local energy to rural and agricultural communities in mid-Wales. The Harvest project is delivering a social virtual power plant which will combine local generation, such as from farming communities and local businesses, within a social virtual power plant which also incorporates batteries and rooftop solar systems in homes in the surrounding communities. The Harvest project will be delivered under a community benefit non-profit model that will return the benefits of local energy systems to the communities via delivery of energy saving on bills for local residents and farming communities, as well as any generation of surplus being added to a community fund which can be further invested in local low carbon technologies and community projects.